kids! Let's go to the jungle! Hey kids! Hurry, let's go to the jungle! Are you ready? Let's sing together! Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Let's have some fun in the jungle beat. If you're happy and you know it, roar like a lion. If you're happy and you know it, clap your paws. If you're happy and you know it, jump around and really show it. If you're happy and you know it, roar like a lion.
Roar, 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 let's roar some more. Roar so loud from jungle floor.
If you're silly and you know it, dance, dance like a monkey. If you're silly and you know it, swing up high. Swing, swing, swing. If you're silly and you know it, spin around and really show it. If you're silly and you know it, laugh out loud. Ha ha ha! Let's hear the monkeys. If you're sleepy and you know it, flap your wings. If you're sleepy and you know it, start to sing. Tweet, tweet. If you're sleepy and you know it, stretch your wings and show it. If you're sleepy and you know it, fly and sing. Fly up high, then glide down low. Parrot sing where the warm winds blow. If you're strong and you know it, stomp like an elephant. If you're strong and you know it, wave your trunk. Swish, swish, swish. If you're strong and you know it, lift your feet and really show it. If you're strong and you know it, stomp like an elephant. If you're strunky and you know it, stomp like an elephant. If you're strunky and you know it, wave your trunk. If you're strunky and you know it, lift your feet and really show it. If you're strong and you know it, stomp like an elephant. If you're stripy and you know it, run so fast. If you're stripy and you know it, zoom right past. If you're stripy and you know it, shake your tail and show it. If you're stripy and you know it, laugh at last. Go zebras, go! If you're jumpy and you know it, hop like a frog. If you're jumpy and you know it, leap through fog. If you're jumpy and you know it, hop and bop and show it. If you're jumpy and you know it, click along. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, spin around, feel the beat. Wave your arms and shout, hooray! Hooray! We're happy every day.
Thank you for watching, kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.